As of the first decade of the 20th century, the wars in which motor vehicles were used required more and more solutions to increase the speed of the infantry. The Bradley can close with and destroy enemy forces in support of mounted and dismounted infantry and cavalry combat operations. The Bradley fighting vehicle is known for its survivability, mobility, and lethality. And now it can add hybrid electrification to its attributes. This is military mechanics, and today we will look at the Bradley fighting vehicle. The Bradley fighting vehicle family currently consists of two vehicles: the M2 infantry fighting vehicle and the M3 cavalry fighting vehicle. Infantry can fight from inside the vehicle by using modified M16 rifles mounted in firing ports, or may dismount from the M2 version to fight on foot. The vehicle is armed with a 25mm cannon, effective against most armored targets, and with TOW anti-tank missiles. The military is evaluating the possibility of all-electric vehicles and alternatives, while the business market is welcoming the push toward all-electric transportation. All-electric ground combat and tactical supply trucks are not viable for a majority of battlefield vehicles now or in the foreseeable future. The military should instead concentrate on hybrid electric drive, a more pertinent objective appropriate for a multi-domain operating environment. An internal combustion engine, one or more electric motors, and an energy storage technology like batteries all work together to power HED vehicles. These vehicles are charged through regenerative braking and by the internal combustion engine coupled to a generator. HED vehicles charge through use and the already existing infrastructure of delivering gasoline. Therefore, there is no need for the considerable infrastructure and planning needed to enable charging capabilities on the battlefield. In 1998, Kinetic developed the first version of EX Drive, an electromechanical transmission for tracked vehicle applications. It is the future of electrical combat vehicles and is a component of a hybrid electric drive powertrain. Because it supplies more electrical power to other vehicle systems, the electric drive substantially improves its capabilities. It future-proofs the platform in the context of a gasoline phase-out and the need to reduce reliance on fossil fuels, and it provides greater automotive and payload performance. Kinetic's global team, working with BAE Systems as the prime contractor for the Bradley hybrid electric vehicle prototyping effort, used an existing US Army Bradley fighting vehicle as the testbed platform for integrating the Kinetic-developed technology as part of the hybrid powertrain. On January the 28th, 2022, during a demonstration, the Army turned on its newly integrated hybrid electric Bradley, marking a significant turning point in the quick development process. The integrated hybrid electric system was used to demonstrate that widely available commercial hybrid technology could also benefit the military. The Army may eventually examine entirely electric solutions for combat vehicles like tanks, but it will probably be several years from now, given how difficult it is to integrate electric capability into a vehicle like the Bradley. The Army's recently released climate strategy lays out a goal to field fully electric tactical vehicles by 2050, but hybrid ones by 2035. Later in 2022, both Bradley vehicles will be at Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona for more field evaluations, performance data comparisons between the two vehicles, and tests against Bradley electric vehicles that are not hybrid. Increased mobility, lethality options, onboard power, and range are just a few of the system's anticipated advantages. The enhanced fuel efficiency, longer range, and improved performance with no additional size, weight, and power requirements are all made possible by hybrid technology. So, electric vehicles could soon become a common sight on the battlefield. Who would have thought the army would field an eco-friendly vehicle? But as it does what it needs to, then the benefits outweigh the cons. As countries continue to build defense systems, it is highly likely we will see more advancements similar to this.